Welcome to another exciting video where we bring you the future of military technology. Today we are diving into the full detail of the new 2026 T61 Army Tank, a powerful addition to next-gen warfare that combines brute strength, cutting-edge technology, and advanced combat systems designed for domination on any battlefield. This new generation T61 is engineered to lead the front lines. Built with a high-grade composite armor and reactive plating, the T61 is nearly impenetrable to modern anti-tank weapons. It comes equipped with a next-level 125mm smoothbore cannon, capable of firing kinetic energy penetrators, high explosive rounds, and even guided missiles with deadly precision. Powering the T61 is a 1,500 horsepower hybrid diesel-electric engine, delivering unmatched speed and torque while maintaining lower heat and sound signatures, perfect for stealth in combat. It can reach speeds of up to 75 km/h on-road and 50 km/h off-road, thanks to advanced torsion bar suspension and high-grip tracks, allowing for seamless movement across rugged terrain. One of the standout features is its AI-integrated battlefield awareness system. This includes 360-degree radar, drone connectivity, thermal night vision, and autonomous target acquisition, making it one of the smartest tanks ever built. The crew of 3, a commander, gunner, and driver operate in a fully digitized environment with touch-screen control panels and real-time battlefield data from satellite uplinks and reconnaissance UFs. The Active Protection System, APS, is also a game-changer. It automatically detects and neutralizes incoming RPGs or missiles before they reach the tank using explosive countermeasures. Alongside this, a laser warning receiver alerts the crew the moment they are targeted by enemy systems. Let's talk about survivability and comfort. The T61 is equipped with a fire suppression system, NBC, nuclear, biological, chemical protection, and internal compartment insulation, keeping the crew safe and operational under the harshest conditions. The interior is more spacious than previous models, offering ergonomic seating and even air conditioning for long operations. Designed with modular adaptability, this tank can be configured for different missions. It includes ports for additional weapon systems, drones, and future upgrades such as directed energy weapons or railguns. The modular turret system means the T61 can evolve with future combat needs without a full redesign. This tank has undergone testing across deserts, Arctic terrains, and dense forests, proving its versatility and reliability. With production starting in late 2025, several units are already being deployed for evaluation in elite military units and are expected to fully enter service by mid-2026. So if you're excited about the future of defense technology and want to see more powerful machines like this in action, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth looks at the latest in military innovation.